The $1.30 sub is an ideal price marker for XRP. At this very moment, I don't see the price of XRP going below its previous major low of about 90 cents. Considering XRP's bullishness has seen the asset retesting the daily support zone between the $1 to $1.10 price marker, allowing us to see some new buy setups. In the legal tussle between Ripple and the SEC, the Ripple team continues to put up a fight, as the fintech company had indicated in its recent court order, seeking to expose the discrepancies that exist in the case. By discrepancies, I'm talking about the time frame between 2013 through 2019, when the SEC employees were free to trade, buy, and sell and hold the XRP coins without any restrictions from the agency. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Just before we go into the main content for today, right before we place those buy orders, we expect the bulls to establish their stance in wholly taking hold of the market. Because after all, nobody wants to enter into a bearish market. So on the H4 trend line, XRP seems to be forming an ascending triangle colored in red. However, the upper trend line is not valid yet. What does that mean? It means all we have to do is wait. Wait for the right time, perhaps a new swing high to form around it, to use that as the trigger swing, the purple projection. In the meantime, the trigger we should all be waiting for should be the formation of the swing, after which we can place a buy order right after a momentum candle closes just above the gray area. Until the buy zone is fully activated, we cannot guarantee that this digital asset will not trade lower because it still can. Meanwhile, in the ensuing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC, the fintech startup has just recently filed a new motion that cites a 5-year period during which time the SEC employees were freely allowed to trade the same XRP coins, which the commission had charged Ripple for not knowing that it had been engaging in legal activities through the sale of the XRP coin. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the SEC has seen the Ripple Council filing a counter motion to fight back by exposing the XRP holdings of some SEC officials. The court order was filed in full detail on Monday, August 27th by the Ripple Council, demanding the SEC produce certain confidential documents, including its trading policies regarding digital assets. The motion filed by the Ripple Council in court was published on behalf of defendants, Ripple Labs, and its CEO Bradley Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Christian Larson. As already stated in this document, the Ripple Council had met with the plaintiff on 4 different occasions regarding this, with no fruitful outcome. Hence, this letter has responded to the SEC's failure to provide the previously asked documents fully, which has incited the Ripple Council to seek the production of not only documents that represent the SEC's trading policies regarding all cryptos, but also the production of those anonymized documents that depicts the Commission's trading pre-clearance decisions with regards to XRP, Ether, and Bitcoin in its aggregate form. Also in demand is certifications regarding the SEC employees' XRP holdings, which is expected to be provided in its complete form with only the redaction of personal information. According to this document, the SEC had earlier produced to the defendants what it had termed as the Ethics Guidance Regarding Digital Assets Policy, a policy that only kickstarted in 2018, about 6 years after the Ripple crowdfunding, during which the payment processing company first released the XRP coin into the market. Suppose we're to follow the conduct of the ethics guidance report published by the U.S. financial regulators, which indicates that until January 19, 2018, the SEC had not imposed any embargo against its employees from holding or trading the XRP coins. This goes to say that the SEC, at that time and even now, didn't have a framework that clearly defined XRP or any other digital asset as securities. Now that begs the question, if the SEC as far back as 2018 didn't know that XRP was a security, how then did they expect Ripple to see that it was engaging in an illegal act through the sales of the XRP token, which SEC employees had bought at some point, a token they've alleged is unregistered security. From the look of things, and considering the chart's trend for XRP, we can see the digital asset forming an ascending channel pattern, which has been apparent over the past few weeks. More so, XRP has managed to maintain its uptrend narrative, just as the bulls have continued to take hold of the market over the last 30 days. At present, XRP is trading at a region designated by expert analysts as the Arnault-Legault moving averages, around the $1.20 mark, an uptrend position at $1.18. Just as the market capitalization of the entire crypto market is increasing by more than 200% from a year-to-date perspective. Even though it follows the current market trend for this asset class, XRP seems to be pioneering its ship, swirling through every obstacle, including its ongoing legal battle with the SEC. Looking at the monthly chart for XRP from the perspective of a fuller view for this digital asset, we could see a bullish divergence. At this point, XRP is barely over 420 bars away from its early year high. Remember that this exact spot is the same position we were in back in 2018, right before we saw some tremendous highs that took us to the XRP's all-time highest of above $3 in April that year. But right now, using the tools at our disposal, historical data and Fibonacci analysis indicated that the cycle top from back in 2014 is shown on the charts as the green 50.6 trendline that bears the orange-colored 0.618 Fibonacci to a relatively more minor cycle, marked as the green 30.6 Fibonacci trendlines, taking the more significant portion of a 2-month window, from March through May. A process that had XRP registering its bottom at the orange-colored 1.6 as seen in 2014. All of these intersections make it easier to see the confluence between the macro cycles when comparing the various macro Fibonacci channels. This conflux provides us with 3 basic levels to watch for XRP, which include XRP's top been registered at the orange-marked 50.6 Fib, $1.61. At the same time, the bottom for XRP would be somewhere between the -5 or the orange trendline, labeled 1.618. We should also have a crucial support level for XRP well placed at the orange 3.6 Fibonacci, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement hinting of a possible position likened to the orange 30.6 Fibonacci, or at 95 cents. Also noteworthy is the green dot on the 7-day chart, which is about halfway through both cycles, therefore indicating a weekly bottom on that end. Afterward, the green dot impact on both cycles was slightly represented on the narrative wave, at the same time just before it moons. Keep in mind that the flow index is also looking positive in the long term. If this bullish narrative extends further, we could easily see XRP breaking out of the $1 to the significant and psychological $2 resistance zone. When that does happen, we could see the digital asset's price breaking its previous most significant all-time highs to reach between $4 to $5 in no time. The best part of it all, given the bullish signal entailed by XRP's hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and bi-monthly charts, the crypto could advance even further to reach $10 and above. Nonetheless, if we do see a swing away from the bullish trend towards the bearish, we could see XRP plummet and fall to price ranges below its current uptrend position, subsequently experiencing a downtrend that could take its price back to its long-term resistance level of $1, although an optimal position for those looking to enter into the market, albeit the bulls would have to find a way to recover their uptrend position before they could retake hold of the market, which is a position I don't see the bulls likely to enter in the interim. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment, and we'll see you next time.
Hollywood car set.